First, we are releasing the big dinosaur Indominus Rex. Let's see how this one actually survives. Okay, as being big, it can't put its head out of the water, so it is natural that in deep water, this Indominus Rex might going to survive. And yes, it actually have Allosaurus. They can't actually get their head out of the water. So how are they surviving? That's very surprising. But in this experiment, we can see that the AI of this Jurassic World Evolution 3 handling them very perfectly. They're they were inside the water and now they're in the surface properly. So yes, this is a very advanced work. And Velociraptors, they are the smallest. There is no chance in the world that they will get above the water unless they swim, which they might not because they are not semi-aquatic. So gameplay mechanics will not let them. We want to see how simulation goes. Okay, it seems like they just passed the water. They walked through the deep water. Yes, so this is true. AI of this Jurassic World Evolution 3 is fabulous.